Hello guys, I'm from Peso Smart PH here and welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners. Today, we're gonna discuss yung preferred stocks ng San Miguel Corporation. So, quick review lang tayo kung ano ba yung mga preferred stocks. So, this is from Investopedia. So, sabi nila, the main difference between preferred and common stock is preferred stock gives no voting rights to shareholders while common stock does. So, yan. Kung, for example, nagpapalit lang ng leadership, yan, yung mga common stockholders, meron silang right to vote for that sort of thing. Pero kapag preferred shares yung hawak mo, wala kang rights para, bumoto. And then preferred shareholders have priority over a company's income, meaning they are paid dividends before common shareholders. So yun yung upside nung preferred shares. So for example, mag-aano sa dividends yung company, yung mga preferred shareholders, sila yung uunahing bigyan ng dividends. And in some cases, yung common shareholders sometimes hindi sila naka-receive ng dividends. And then in the event of liquidation, preferred stockholders' claim on assets is greater than common stockholders but less than bondholders. So yan, for example, like nag-file ng bankruptcy yung corporation, unahin like ibalik yung yung parang capital ng mga preferred, syempre yung bondholders muna, and then yung preferred stockholders before pa yung common stockholders. And then preferred stock has characteristics of both bonds and common stocks. So it's para siyang hybrid na investment vehicle, which enhances its appeal to certain investors. Isang downside lang niya is hindi talaga siya nag-appreciate in tawag dito. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng capital gain sa kanya. Like kung meron man sobrang liit lang. Kasi like sobrang steady lang talaga nung nung prices niya. Simula dun sa issue price niya until like ma-claim na ulit siya or ma-reclaim siya nung issuer. Then punta tayo dito sa mga listed preferred stocks ng San Miguel. So merong 7. So yung una, ito yung meron ako, SMC2C. And then, meron ng SMC2D, SMC2E, SMC2F, SMC2G, SMC2H, and then SMC2I. So, yung difference lang is, yung first 4 from C to F, 2012 siya na issue. So, commonly, like, nasa 10 years yan eh. Like, nasa nakalist sa stock market and then nire-reclaim siya after 10 years. So, kung susundin nyo ng San Miguel, so 2022, iba-buyback na nila yung apat na to. But yeah, that still depends on them. And then, itong SMC2G to SMC2I, itong tatlong to, 2016 lang sila. So, sila yung mas bago. So, 4 years pa lang sila. And then, since under one company naman tong stocks na to, isa lang yung titingnan natin box. Yun yung sa San Miguel Corporation. And mag-focus tayo dun sa 2019. So, kita nyo naman dito, net income nila is 21.33 billion. And then, ano pa bang mahalaga dito? Yun, may investment sila, 94.92 billion. And then, current assets is at 641.14 billion. Then, yeah. Medyo steady naman siya from 2015 to 2019. Kita nyo naman every year kumikita sila. And then, sa balance sheet nila, yan, makikita nyo dito, medyo malaki talaga yung borrowings nila. But given the history ng San Miguel, like, over a century-year-old na sila. And they have really great leadership. Kay Koangko, yung chairman nila, and syempre yung CEO na si Ramon Ang. So the direction of the company is really on the right track. And then total, yeah, borrowings niya is almost 1 trillion pesos. And then, yan, yung total revenue nila is, yan ang 1.38 trillion. Wait, yeah, 1 trillion na. More than 1 trillion yung total revenue nila. And then, yung buong enterprise value is 1 trillion din. Grabe, sobrang laki ng value nitong company na to. So, kung mag-invest kayo sa preferred stock sila, yeah, maasahan nyo talagang consistent yung payment ng dividends. And then, lahat naman ng stocks na yun is quarterly nagbibigay ng payments. So, yeah, hindi po mapalya yun. So, tingnan na natin yung current prices nila. So, SMC2C. Kung nakasabay kayo nung stock market crash nung March, medyo nag-trade siya below 76-ish. So, parang nasa 75.5 something. And then, ayun nga, yung 52-week low is 74.8. Yun pala. And then, 52-week high is 79. Yeah, halos ma-attain na ulit niya yung highest price niya within the year. But yeah, I'd say na you can buy this stock at around 77. Ganun din yung price na tina-target ko. Kasi I want to buy more of these. And then, yan, dividend payments niya every quarter, as I've said. Then, 1.5 pesos siya every quarter for a total of 6 pesos per year per share. Ignore nyo na lang yun. Mali kasi yun yung ex-date na March 17. Well, March 17 naman talaga yung ex-date nung unang payment for 2020. Kaso, yun yung for this June 16 siya. So, kinabukasan. So, bukas yung ex-date. So, dapat within today, nakabili na kayo nitong San Miguel preferred stocks. And then, ito yung may pinakamataas na yield sa lahat ng to. So, it's at 7.61, 42% for the whole year na yun. So, yung 6 pesos na yun, i-divide nyo lang siya sa current market price, which is 78.8. Yan, yun yung makuha niyang result. Yung talagang issue price niya is 75. So, nasa 8% flat siya. Kung sa 75 pesos siya mabibili. But, it's kinda hard to buy at that price point, lalo na ngayon yan. Medyo mataas siya kasi malapit na rin magbayad ng dividends ulit. So maraming kumukuha nito. The next one is SMC2D. Current market price is 76.15. And then yeah, halos ma-attain na ulit niya yung 52-week high. Then yung 52-week low is 71.45. I believe nangyari din yan nung March. And ito naman, yung dividends niya is 4 times a year din. Mas mababa nga lang compared sa SMC2C. So yung sa kanya is 1.1143. Something. Masyadong mahaba. Yan. And ito yung tamang schedule ng payments. So as you can see, bukas na yung ex-date. So dapat within today, makabili na para mabayaran itong next dividend payment, which is babayaran on July 3. Yield for this one, ito yung pinakamababa. 5.85, 33% yung dividend yield niya for 1 year. And then SMC2E, 75.75 yung last traded price. So 52-week low is 72 and then 52-week high is 77. Ito, medyo mababa pa rin yung price niya. Yeah, I think you can buy naman at 75. And then yeah, 1.18 din yung binibigay niya every quarter. So times 4 lang for the year. And that will give you a dividend yield of 6.2628%. Then move on tayo sa next one, SMC2F. Yeah, medyo magkakalapit lang yung yields nila kasi diyan naglalaro yung yung talagang dividends na pinapromise nung San Miguel upon issuing these investment vehicles, these preferred stocks. So, nasa steady 6 to 8% every year yung yield na binibigay niya. So, it beats inflation. Basically. Well, I think currently, medyo mataas yung inflation rate natin. So, but it's still good to own these preferred stocks in my opinion. Wait. Sabi ko na ba? Yan, 78.50 yung last traded price. Ayan, medyo mataas ito. Kasi 52-week high niya is nasa 80 pesos din. And 52-week low is at 73.05. Pero yung binibigay niyang dividends is mas mababa pa rin compared to SMC2C. Dito is 1.27 lang times 4 for the whole year. It will give you a yield of 6.5036%. Then SMC2G, part na to nung panibago nung 2016 na issue. So 76.30 last traded price, 52-week low 72.80, and then 52-week high is 78. Then dividends every quarter is 1.23. And then for the whole year, 6.4672% yung yield niya. Then SMC2H, previous price was at 76, 52-week low is at 70, 52-week high is at 79.95. This one gives naman 1.18 pesos per share every quarter. And for the whole year, 6.23, 90% yung yield niya. Then last one is SMC2I. Wait, yan. 77.15 previous price, and then 52-week low 71.50. 52-week high is 77.50. Then yung dividends niya is 1.18 din. So that will give you a yield of 6.1311% every year. So yan. Assess nyo na lang kung ano yung trip nyo or like kung ano yung mas mabilis like mabili. But I think para-paraw lang naman, and I would highly suggest to stick with SMC2C. And then siguro kung trip nyong bumili na itong mga mas bago, bilhin nyo yung alin ba yung may pinakamataas na yield. 23 dito sa mga bago. Ayan, itong SMC2G. Kasi nasa 6.4 siya yung yield niya. And yeah, mas mabilis siyang, mas mura nyo siya mabibili. Nasa 76.13 last traded price. And yeah, I believe pag nag-place kayo ng order at 76 and then lagay nyo lang good till week, yan, makakabili kayo. Pero kung gusto nyo mabayaran sa July ng dividends, dapat today makabili na agad kayo. Pero syempre huwag kayong bumili na itong mga overpriced na stocks. Sayang din. And then I think tapos na naman tayo dito. And yan pala yung portfolio ko. So nasa 1,000 shares na rin yung nakuha ko sa SMC2C. I think pinakababa ko nabili is at 77. Kasi noong una nabili ako 78 eh. Pero at least naman may ano na tayo, may unrealized profit na rin tayo at 621 pesos, but hindi ko naman siya ibebenta kasi every quarter nasa 1.3k na yung binibigay niya sa akin na dividends. So that's really good. And then ayan, nasa 2.7k na yung nabigay niya in total. Kasi nabuo ko lang yung 1,000 shares I think this December or early 2020. So hindi pa talaga mabubuo yung 1.3k every quarter na payment. But yeah, for this one, yung sa ibabayad sa akin ngayong July, yan, 1.3k na. And yeah, yung previous payment din pala, 1.3k na. Yun nauna is I think nasa 700 something lang. First two payments. Kasi medyo baba pa yung hawak ko na shares at that time. Then, move on naman tayo. Quick reminder lang kasi nakita ko to, nag-search lang ako ng PSE News. That hindi talaga mag-include nito but yeah, reminder lang sa inyo kasi yan, sabi ng Business World, PSE investment scheme represents bors. So sabi dito, in an advisory over the weekend, yung PSE said it received reports that someone is soliciting investments from the public through an email address bearing its name. So yeah, Philippines Stock Exchange at gmail.com. Yeah, so kung nasendan kayo ng email nitong email address ito, yeah, ignore nyo lang or delete nyo or like i-report nyo. So sabi sa memo ng PSE, for the information of the public, no such investment solicitation was issued by the PSE, nor does it solicit investments from individuals. Yeah, kasi dapat bibili kayo ng stocks sa lang, like through the accredited stockbrokers ng PSE. Meron naman list yun pag ginugel mo lang yan. And ayun nga, nag-recommend na rin ako ng 5 magandang online stockbroker. So yeah, hassle free na. Online ka lang bibili ng stocks. Yan. Check nyo na lang yung I sa top right ng video para makita nyo yung 5 online stockbrokers na yun. And then, yan, yung sinusolicit nilang investment is around 24,900 up to 135,500. So yan, medyo malaki din kung may like kumagat. And then yan, sobrang unrealistic nung guaranteed, quote unquote guaranteed return, 45 to 62%. That is quite impossible, lalo na kung walang time frame na binigay dito, kung ano yung sinasabi nilang time frame. But yeah, masyadong malaki yun. And syempre, scammers to eh. So for sure, like sobrang short term nitong gain na to na pinapromise sila, which is yeah, which can't be done naman. And then ano pa bang sinabi nila dito? Yan, pag ginugol nyo rin naman and chinek nyo yung official website ng PSE, andun naman yung nila, yung email address nila and lahat ng social media accounts. And then meron din silang hotline or like yan, yung email address nga nilang official, which is investing@pse.com.ph. Lalagay ko na lang din sa description sa baba para ma-check nyo and yeah, ma-cross check nyo kung may nag-email ba talaga sa inyo. And yun nga, kayo basta-basta maniniwala sa mga emails na yan. Kasi yan, kahit may crisis, hindi pa rin sila nagpapaawat, nagano pa rin sila, take advantage pa rin sila. And then, ito naman from Philstar Global, yung Merrimart is malilist na sa PSE today. So, interested kayo kung na-miss out nyo yung IPO, yung parang mag-subscribe ka and yeah, magkaroon ko na ganitong stock na to. Yan, titrade na siya officially today. So, check out nyo na lang. Panoorin nyo kung saan pupunta yung prices nitong bagong stock na to. Yeah, and I think ako wow nito. Hindi ako nag-participate na sa IPO but I believe bababa kasi siya, I think, yung prices compared dun sa initial price na in-offer. So yeah, we'll see. And then ito na yung sources nung video natin today. Yan, medyo marami siya, yung photos, yung sa Investopedia kung interested pa kayong magbasa about preferred stocks, yan. Nasa description yan lahat sa baba. And yung 2 articles na mention ko earlier. Then, we're gonna end with a quote from Mandino. Sabi niya, tomorrow is only found in the calendar of fools. Yeah. So, yeah. Yung mga kaya nyo gawin today, yeah, gawin nyo na. Huwag nyo na ipagpabukas kasi, yeah. Mali nyo, hindi na kayo dumating bukas, di ba? You can't really say. So yeah, focus lang sa present. And then yeah, end natin yung episode here, guys. Thank you very much kung nakaabot kayo dito. And yeah, like and share nyo rin if natripan nyo yung content ko. Kasi makatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And yan, binago ko yung upload schedule ko. So Monday and Thursday na tayo mag-upload. Kasi naisip ko pag Tuesday, Thursday, like medyo awkward yung break. So after Thursday, magiging 4 days yung break. Then upload on Tuesday. And then break lang ulit ng isang araw. Upload na ulit ng Thursday. So ngayon yan. So from Monday, magbe-break like ng 3 days. So Tuesday, Wednesday, 2 days lang pala, lol. Tapos Thursday upload na ulit, and then yung 3 days is yung magbe-break after ng Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then Monday upload na ulit. Yun. Check na lang natin kung mag-workout ba yun ng mas maganda. And yeah, subscribe na rin kayo para wala kayong ma-miss out, and ring na to notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Always remember, be Peso smart.